Hello friends, today I'm going to make instant pot dal tadka. You can say dal fry too. These are the ingredients for the instant pot dal tadka. This is organic toor dal. You can take any kind of toor dal. The chana dal is called the split daisy chickpeas. I took a 1 cup of chana dal and a half cup of toor dal. Pre-soak in a warm water for 20 minutes. These are the other ingredients. Chopped tomatoes, I took 1 tomato, 8 garlic, so 8 cloves of garlic, chopped garlic, half chili, half onion. I took 1 teaspoon of the roasted cumin and 1 teaspoon of the cumin, 2-3 cloves and 1 small stick of the cinnamon and 2 or 3 peppercorn. This is the dry chili. It's 3 dry chili, very small, cut it in half. 1 teaspoon of ghee, oil, 1 tablespoon of oil. These are the masalas: chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, chopped spinach, chopped cilantro for garnishing. Turn on the instant pot on the saute mode. I added 1 teaspoon of the ghee, clarified butter, and the 1 teaspoonful of the oil. Let it melt. Oil is warm, so I'll go ahead and add cinnamon stick, cloves, and peppercorn. 1 small dry chili. Add some green chili. I'll add half. Onions. And garlic. I'll take half of the garlic, chopped garlic, and some cumin and cumin powder. Let it saute for 1 minute and keep stirring. Some chopped tomatoes. Stir it. To these I'll add 2 small spoons of chili powder, 1 small spoon of coriander, 1 small spoon of turmeric powder, and 1 small spoon of garam masala. And some salt according to taste. Let it saute for 2 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Squeeze half lemon. So this is almost done. I kept this one on the high saute mode, the more saute mode. Now add your dal mixture. To this I will add 2 full cup water, 250 ml. So total 500 ml of water. Okay, go ahead and put the lid on and make sure this one is on the sealing mode. Let's put it on the manual mode. This is on the low pressure and I'll change it to the 10. Manual, low pressure, 10. I put my dal on the low pressure manual setting for 10 minutes. I let it cool down for 17 minutes. Now let's go ahead and open. So let's check. My dal is ready. See, you can smash it, but it's still whole. It's perfect consistency, nicely boiled. Let's prepare for the tadka, the final touch. I put 2 teaspoons of oil. Oil is hot. Let's put some cumin seeds. Turn off the gas. Red chili. Some remaining garlic. I'll add some chili powder at the end. Mix it well and transfer it. Pour it over. You can adjust the oil quantity according to your preference. And my dal tadka is ready. Garnish with the spinach, that's optional, and the cilantro. Mix a little bit.